Here at Bullet Cars, we've been involved for a long time with the Chrysler Hemi engines. We were the first people in the world to do the supercharging kit for the Chrysler. But something that's come about lately, we've been doing a lot of camshaft jobs. And I want to show you why, because if you're an owner of a Jeep Grand Cherokee, like a 6.4 or one of the 5.7 engines, this really concerns you. The Chrysler engines have an MDS system which cuts out 4 of the cylinders, mainly to save fuel and a tiny little bit of emissions. But it's a system that helps to cause this problem. So we can remove that MDS system and it just gives you such improved low-down performance. It's pretty unbelievable to drive. Replacing the camshaft, replacing the cam followers, and we replace these with followers from the Hellcat, which are a better follower, and we also replace the oil pump, because half the problem is caused because when the engine's hot, especially when it's idling, there's not enough oil getting to these rollers. That can cause them to seize. In a Chrysler engine, this isn't close to vertical. It's close to horizontal in the engine, and it makes it very hard for lubrication to be effective at the roller end, especially if you're idling the car for a long time. The problems start when cam lobes start to be damaged. The next stage of this, you can see this lobe here. What's happened is that the lifter has seized up on the roller, and therefore it's cut a groove, as you can see in here, into the camshaft. The fine metal particles are going to go through the engine, and if you don't catch this in time, you're going to have a very expensive engine rebuild. Sometimes the actual complete cam follower rotates 90 degrees inside its cage, where once it rotates, it'll chew out the cam lobe like this because it's locked solid. Again, a lot of metal going through your engine. Not what you want, because it makes a very expensive repair. Usually, you need to buy a complete new engine. To avoid that, we want to catch this problem really early before the cam lobes get chewed up. And what we've been doing is fitting a high-performance camshaft, prevent this from happening in the future, and also gives you about 70 horsepower more at the wheels, which is great. I mean, the cam that we install will give you such good drivability. If you own one of these, really consider replacing the camshaft early. Once it's got 140, 150,000 Ks, you're going to start getting to these problems. Give us a call and we can improve your performance and save your engine before you need a new engine.